everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your AngelOne account using your AngelOne application. So here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your AngelOne application from your device, and from the main home page, tap on Login appearing at the bottom. Now, enter your mobile number that you used while signing up for AngelOne and tap on Proceed. You will then need to verify your mobile number. Enter the OTP that has been sent to you via SMS, and after entering it, you will be able to log into your AngelOne account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.